Welcome to Webidex. Previously on Webidex, we discussed about things that you should consider when choosing a right hosting provider for your website. In today's video, let's talk about how to do article submission for SEO. How to do article submission for SEO. If you're looking to rank your website on Google, you already know that backlinks are a must. In this video, you can learn how to submit an article and create backlinks. Article submission is an SEO factor that belongs to the off-site SEO category. Creating backlinks with this method will make it easier for your website to rank. Another added benefit here is that visitors of that website have the opportunity to visit our website through the article we put up. How to make backlinks? All you have to do is post an article on a website dedicated to article submission and create a backlink to your article. These websites can also be considered an article directory. There are many websites that can do this for free, as well as websites that offer the opportunity to do this work for a fee. We will put a link to download a list of article submission for your convenience. You can create backlinks to those websites. To submit, post, to those websites, use your own core article. Use the link in the description to download the website list. That's all for today, pals. In the next video, we will explain about how to increase page speed of your website. If you are new to Webidex, please subscribe to our channel and give thumbs up to the video. And also hit the notification bell as well, and then you won't miss our upcoming videos. Before we leave, please keep in mind, don't work hard, work smart. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Have a great day.